Another episode of Jonmicol Spot. Nothing makes me happier in the morning than coffee. And I need my coffee today because I'm fucking pissed. It sucks that Gotway has been having all these problems with a brand new MSP, which is supposed to be one of the best wheels on the market. I've been seeing all of these wheels catching fire, having problems with the battery, having overheating issues. And I think it's fucking stupid for us to be having these problems for a device that we just paid $2,000 for. Nevertheless, I had to buy a brand new fan. So I got this thing here. And I'm gonna install it. And hopefully my overheating issues get solved and I don't have to fucking call anyone about this problem or anything. But I am super fucking pissed about this thing because we shouldn't be spending $2,000 on a fucking device that overheats when you turn it on, when it's 80 degrees outside. First things first, we want to disconnect the power. And we want to make sure that the battery is dead. Right here. So now we got the battery completely discharged. So if you guys notice, the blades on this fan was broken right there. And it was having trouble spinning, so that's probably why it was making that god-awful noise. That sounded like a jet about to take off. This is the original connector to the fan. I cut it with some scissors because this connection was a little bit more... This connection seems to be a little bit more, I don't know, complicated. But I am gonna put it here. And I am gonna MacGyver these things so that we can get them plugged back in. So, no wiring. And I stripped the brand new wiring. And we are going to put these together using this little device, which I figure is a little safer than just tying everything in with tape. We're gonna make sure we got both wires that matches colors. We're gonna put it all the way in. I connected the old pin from the old fan. Where's the old fan? So I took the connectors from the old pin, which is this, cut the wires, connected them to this new connector that's connected to the fan. So the fan is working. I'm gonna use this 3mm or 3M, I should say, tape. Now we're gonna put a little pressure on it
for a couple seconds here so that it can stick. Initial impressions, the lights seem to be a lot more bright. I feel like because the battery isn't working trying to power a broken fan, now the power is being more evenly distributed. I like that. All right, so I rode it for about a mile or so. It feels a lot better, a lot more responsive. It sounds a lot quieter, and the temperature has been a lot lower when riding normally. So I think that changing out this fan was a very big upgrade to the MSP.